Let's go, family. We in the building now. Now we can do the regular live. I had to get that out the way. Teach the family what was up. I take teaching you how to fish extremely seriously. Extremely seriously. This is not a game. This is not a game. Also, shout out to the Discord fam. We eating big time with the Nio put. We eating big time, baby. Yeah. We eating big time. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me in the building, baby? Yeah. We here. Hit that like button on your way in, baby. Already we got almost half the likes. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate y'all for that. I'm telling you this. Discord fam is in the building. People always tell me, they're like, yo, Kenan. They're like, man, every time that, you get on live or I see people talking, they talking about the Discord fam and this and the Discord fam and that. I'm telling you right now, it's real. It's real. It's because I take it so seriously that I feel like, I don't know, I feel like they could feel it. You know what I'm saying? Discord fam, I feel like they could feel a connection. I'm sending you a message, Discord fam. I'm sending you a message on Stocks of the Week. So where's the bow tie? Come on now, I'm not playing today. Today, let me tell you. But again, here we go. We here. Discord fam, again, let's get it. We in the building, baby. We in the building. Shout out to my guy, Randy. Yeah. Just join the Discord. Let's go, Discord fam. Again, just know, options classes, they going to keep rolling out. Let's go see. Let's see what's going on with AMC. How's the mic doing? Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's see. Woo! Yo, let's go. Shout out to my guy T-Bone. Let's go. Good morning, fam. Thanks for the Nio put. I got you, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Yo, let's talk about it, baby. Look at AMC. Look at AMC. Yo, do you see? She broke over the resistance. Family, we've been struggling to get over out of the 38s. We are 1 penny away from getting out of the 38s. Come on, AMC. Come on, everybody. Put tears in the chat. It's been so long. George, hit the link in the top of the chat to join the Discord, baby. Shout out to you for joining the family. Discord family growing like wildfire. Let's go. Shout out to Guyana. Oh, yeah, everybody, where you at? Where you at? My guy, Kenan said your super chat disappeared. Say it again. I'm looking for you. Say it again. I appreciate you. Norwalk, Connecticut in the building. Shout out to Carlos. Let's go. David. Shout out to David. Shout out to Max. Shout out to Andre. Shout out to Paul. Shout out to Kai. Shout out to Yaya. Shout out to Country Girl. I see you, family. I see you. Joshua, Rich, William. I see you. I see the whole family. Randy. I see you. Craig. John. Let's go. Aaliyah. I see you, family. Gilberto. I see you, family. Darwin. I'm telling you, when it comes to us, when it comes to me, when it comes to y'all, we family, baby. We family. I see you, and I'm looking for you, and I want you to understand that you, the family, we not just numbers. We people. We whole people with whole backstories and whole everything. I see you, baby. I see you. You see what I'm saying, Brittany? I see you, Tanya. I see you. We family, baby. Now, AMC, oh yeah, tears in the chat. We had to cool off like I told you. When you pushing the car, Matthew, I see you, baby. I see you. Let's go. Manuel, I see you. Jesse, I see you. Logan, I see you. John, Roger, I see you, baby. I see you. Tippy, I see you. Jay, come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Aaron, I see you, big dog. Jackson, I see you. You ain't invisible, baby. I see you. Come on now. Now let's talk about it. We got the tears in the chat going. Trey, I see you. Len, I see you. Come on, Dustin. Come on, baby. Here we go. Come on. Let's get it. We need AMC. Eric, let's go. Now we need AMC to keep pushing. We want to break through. Look at this. Look at this number. 38.99. We have been struggling to get out of the 35 to 38 range for like a week, if not longer than a week. Let's go back and let's double check. Let's just double check. You see this channel, family? How long ago did we make this channel? Look at this. We kind of got out. Look, we've been sitting in this channel since at least 10 days. 10 days. Look at this. Just in this channel. 35, 38, 35, 38. We need to break out. It's time. It's time. We a loaded spring. We are a loaded spring, and we ready to, bam, get up. We ready to explode out of this. You see what I'm saying? 1 penny. 1 penny. Look at this. 38.99. 1 penny. 1 penny away. Let's go. Angela, appreciate you, family. Let's go. Let's go. I see the tears in the chat. Let's get it. Come on now. 1 penny away. You could do it, AMC. You can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Man, yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Also, woo, look at Tesla, the beast, the big dog. Yo, family, Tesla is finding new floors. It's finding new floors. What do I mean by that? When it hits a low, the low ain't as low as it was low. If you understand what I'm saying, the low ain't as low as it was low. The low, it ain't as low as it was low. And even over here. Kenan, how do you do those sounds?
It don't move.
I got a soundboard. I got a soundboard, baby. Yo, let's go. That's funny. Yo, here we go. He said, took the bag on Nio. Get in, get up, get out. Yeah, Discord family, we was eating on that Nio put, huh? Eating, I'm telling you. And I told you yesterday that it wasn't a day trade. You wait for a little bit, and then you can make even more. And we basically ran all the way up and then doubled that. Oh, yeah, the SPY is a runner. Let's see. SPY, running. But remember, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. SPY is looking like it's getting in put range. Is that bad news? Not if you know how to run put options. However, again, I'll let you know if I get in one. Discord fam, you already know what time it is. I'll let you know if I get in one. Yo, that's a fact. Whoever bought puts on Tesla, come on now. Come on now, you hurting. You hurting. Yo, we broke into the 39s? Hold up. AMC? Ooh, no, not yet. You got me there for a sec. Oh, we did. Oh. Let's go. They thought we wasn't going to get into there, but guess what? Stupid. We there. We there, baby. We there. Yo, let's go. We there. AJ Fernandez. Shout out to you, big dog. Shout out to the big dog for the love. Appreciate you for that. Family. That's real. Yo, somebody sent me this. You know how y'all sent me the...
It don't move.
Somebody sent me the gotta catch 'em all. Somebody sent me that. The Pokemon joint. Because, come on. I'm telling you this. They want you to catch every single... What is it? They want you to catch literally like 100% of all of the... They want you to catch 100% of every freaking play. You see what I'm saying? You can't catch them all. So that we need that. We got this one. Come on down. Come pick us up, baby. Somebody sent me the I wanna be the very. Somebody sent me that. Yo, it's a vibe hanging out with y'all. I'm telling you, making money. Come on. Oh yeah. Also, family, I'm officially a part of the Sheeb Army. The Discord fam already know. What time it is, but I'm in there. Family, can we get this? What? We need more likes than we have. Can we get it to up to 400? Up to 400. B. Haynes, Jesus Peace, Master Chef. Let's go, baby. Appreciate you. Let's go. Oh, Disney is running. Family, we may be able to get into something else today. We just made money with the Nio. We just made money with that. With the Nio joint. Let's see. Oh, look at Disney. Runner. Yep, family, get the video up to what? 400 likes, 450 likes. Let's go. You love the live, best part of the day. Let's go, Craig. Let's get it. All right, now let's see. AMC so far, look, she's showing strength. We love to see it. And we just got to hold this strength. Oh, we've been holding the strength. Let's go and check what happened exactly. Because remember, whenever you want to see what's going on with AMC, if you go to Stonko Tracker, they're going to break down some of the essential points. So 5.9 million in trading in the very first 30 minutes, which is not done yet. However, understand that for days, family, we've been seeing maybe low fives, right? We've been seeing maybe not sixes lately, right? So we're starting to see some volume again. I love it. And we've only been in for 20 minutes, and we still got 10 whole minutes where we could get to, like, let's call it 6 or 7 million, which would be a great start for AMC in terms of volume on a day. We would love to see it. Let's see how many shares are available to borrow. 350,000 shares available to be borrowed, meaning the hedge funds could grab these up and try to short these into the market with us. But again, you see what time it is. You sold OCGN yesterday. All right, family, look, let's go back and let's talk, because I was telling you this yesterday. OCGN, Oxygen, right? Look, it's running to what? 958. Let's zoom out. So it's struggling to get over this bar. It did it today. But it's really finding resistance up there. So it should find resistance again at like 10 perhaps, unless it drops back in to this band right here. So if you're looking to pick this up, honestly, you could wait. You could really wait, unless you're trying to get in on a put and basically ride the wave down. But I wouldn't do it yet. Why? Because look at this. I will let it peak. Let it peak first, because it broke the resistance. Old resistances become new supports. BBIG is dropping. Let's check them out. All right, family. So we're bouncing off of a support line that we knew for weeks and weeks and weeks, right? We knew it for weeks. So then let's see. Let's back out. We knew this was a support line at least for 3 weeks, right? Even over here in September. So now we're touching this line again, and Discord fam is in the building. I see you. I see you, baby. So now here we go. If you want to get in on BBIG, I always tell you, you got to think of it just like real estate. Don't get into real estate for the whole fact of getting into real estate. You want to get in when you get a good price. This too, BBIG, low fours, high fives, as of late, has been just, come on now, come on. Said Nio. Yo. Yo, family, you see everybody pump that Nio is coming down? It's as if they were sitting in a put option. That's crazy. I'm telling you, man. That's what's up. I'm telling you this. I love seeing the family get money. Love it. I love it. I'm trying to see what else we could get into today. Shout out to Lisa. Texas Discord, Sean here. Let's go. Yep. My guy said low fives, high fours range. Then you could look to run it back up to the sixes, mid sixes or so, and then you already know. You know what? My guy said this. Vamari, he said, which Discord like level, he's basically saying what I'm taking this as, should he join? Now, on the Discord, right? Let's talk about it, right? Because I really want you to understand that I understand that not everybody is rich, and not everybody is trying to be paying people hundreds of dollars to join and learn. Even though, let's be clear, if you invest $100 into your education, into learning about the stock market, into learning about all kind of things, you might get more out of this. And I'm not trying to hype anything up, but you might get more out of your financial education than you did with some of them college courses that you paid thousands of dollars for, right? I want to be clear on that, because when you went and learned, and no disrespect, I'm very good at math when it comes to math. Come on, but let's talk about it. trigonometry, calculus, all of this stuff, you may not be using those things in your everyday life. And you may have had to take a class about this kind of stuff when you went to college or some type of biology class and learn about the organelles and all of this. You might not be using that in your everyday life, but you had to pay thousands of dollars for those classes, right? So then people say, okay, if I'm going to teach you finance, then I'm going to charge you a few $100s. That's way cheaper than those college courses that you paid that you're not using. So then you can learn how to make money on the stock market on the way down, on the way up, how to read the charts, how to read the candles, how to do the Fibonacci retracement, all of this, right? But I do agree that some people, when they charge $100, I understand. But me personally, when you go to my Discord, what level should you join? You join the one you want to join. And what do I mean by that? I made them all the same. Every single one of them is the exact same. For example, if you're a chef, you pay $5. It includes Discord benefits. If you want to, you pay what you think is worth. You pay what you think is worth. If you want to join a veteran chef, different, it's $10. Guess what? Same exact benefits as the first tier. You just want to support the journey even more because you can and you feel like it's worth it. Then I got this, Master Chef. Same exact benefits as the first tier. You just want to support the journey like a boss, right? You really believe in what we're doing over here. And then I got the oven mitts, which is sold out, right? Same exact benefits as the first tier. You just want to support the journey like a big dog. You pay what you think it's worth. I don't want to overcharge anybody for anything. I want to give you straight up value, and I want to show you that I really care about you learning how to, and let's keep it real. Let's keep it extra real. I care about you learning how to teach and learning how to make money on the stock market, but then I want you to pass it forward, pay it forward, and go learn on your own. I want you to go and be able to do these things on your own. I want you to be able to look at a candle. I want your kids to be able to look at a candle and not say, whoa, what am I looking at? Whoa, what am I looking at? I want your kid to look at this candle right here and say, oh, as low as it got, that's the bottom of this little string. At the high that it got, and it's called a wick. This is the top that it got in this time frame. Where did it open? It opened down here. Where did it close? It closed up here. I want your kid to be able to know that. And how are they going to know it if you don't teach them? Because guess what? They're not learning it in school. Let's keep it real. They're not learning it in school, right? They're not. Most people think, oh, the stock market is crashing down. The stock market is crashing down. Oh my God, it's 2009. It's 2008. There's a recession. Everybody's going broke. Oh my goodness, right? Everybody's going broke. No, you now know about put options and you can ride the wave down. You can ride the wave down. Imagine being in put options in a recession. Imagine that. Come on. And these are the things that I feel like is worth knowing and worth learning. Like, for example, everybody who's in the Discord right now who got into the Nio put with me all the way up here, right? We got in like right here somewhere. Wait, no, this is the wrong day. Like right over here. And now that it's down here, it didn't even drop a whole dollar yet. And we made $100 or more. You see what I'm saying? So come on. You got to learn how to make money on the way down. And I'm ready to teach it. I'm ready to help you to learn. And it's as simple as that. And I'm not charging $1 million to be doing it. Come on. You say you the best. I appreciate everything you do. I got you. Always. Come on now. I'm not gonna charge you money that, cause then if I'm charging you $1 million, then your break even is gonna be through the roof. You see what I'm saying? But I got your back. That's really what it is. I got your back, and I want you to be able to have somebody's back. That's really what time it is. We always look for, even in relationships, they say you look for the one, you gotta be the one. So somebody can find you. Everybody looking for the one, right? Be the one. You be the one. Attract these things that you want in your life. But let's talk about it. Let's see. AMC, where we at? Y'all got me. Come on, y'all got me in my mode. Y'all got me. Y'all got me in the mode. Let's go. Let's come on. Here we go. AMC, right? We got to 39.07. Said thank you for all you do. Many blessings. That's real. That's real. Jesse, I appreciate you for that. Let's go. I'm telling y'all, I got you. Always. Oh, let's go check on ChargePoint. Let's go check on ChargePoint. CHPT. CHPT.
It don't move.
Hold up. We like ChargePoint in the $19 to $16 range. You already know. We like it in this range. 16 to 19. This is our ideal range. So what is my thoughts on XLE? From what I understand, XLE has been a banger of a swing trade. Let's zoom out. What is a swing trade? I be using some of these words and you might not understand. 50% likes. We need 200 more. Family, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Yep, we keep it real, keep it raw. That's right. That's right. This has been a banger of a swing trade. What is a swing trade? A swing trade means you might want to be in this, but you don't plan on holding it forever. You see what I'm saying? You plan on getting in, and then you say, all right, look, I'm way up. One day this thing is going to come back down, and then I'll get back in it again. That's how it works. And believe it or not, nobody going to tell you this. You know how AMC is a short squeeze play? Somebody will tell you this. Somebody will tell you this, but I'm going to tell you it too. You know how AMC is a short squeeze play, right? That makes it a swing trade. What do I mean by that? Let's go back and let's look at anything that ran up. Like, for example, LCID that ran way up. We didn't know it was a swing trade at the time, but this is how it works. Like this. You get in, and when I first got in, it was like 16. When I first got in, it was like 16. And you can't tell the future unless you're Nancy Pelosi. I want you to understand that. So it ran all the way up. This wasn't a short squeeze, but this is how short squeeze plays look. This is how they look. So it ran all the way up to high 60s. This could have ran up to, let's say it was a short squeeze, and it ran up to 6,000 or 600,000. Like, let's just throw numbers out, right? You jump out up here, and then you let it come back down, and now you got all of this money, and then you could invest back in later. That's how you play a swing. That's how you play a swing. So, for example, AMC. Let's say that AMC chart is going to look like this one day, let's say, right? Let's say we sitting right here at $30, and then it runs up to whatever big number you like, and then you jump out. That makes it a swing trade. And then you say, look, AMC has then cooled off. The swing is over. Mother of all short squeezes is over, you could say. And then you say, look, this has been so impactful in my life that now I'm just going to invest into the company now that it's back to solid levels. I want to give a shout out to, hold up. Appreciate you, family. Much love. Much love. My guy Quentin, he said, smoke them out. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And my guy Jada Beast, he said, UPST, brother. I told y'all, and now it's going to be huge. Let's see. Is it running? UPST. Yeah, this one is running. Shout out to you, family. But again, hold up. I'm going to have to make my own sound bites. Let's see. YouTube. I need this one. I need this one. I need this one. What is this? Let's see. Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. I know I'm getting demonetized for this. They think we gonna catch them all, family. I'm telling you, family, somebody will say, yo, Kenan, you ain't hear about XYZ SpongeBob Patrick coin? I'm gonna be like, nah, this one is up 1,000%. How'd you miss it? You should have caught that one. I'm gonna be like, I'm telling you. You missed Pokemon SpongeBob XYZ coin? Oh man, this one is up 100,000%. You gotta catch them all. Come on now. We ain't catching them all. It ain't like that. Come on. Just joined. Been watching videos for months. Appreciate you. You make negative days positive. Let's go, family. I appreciate you for that. Shout out to my guy, Johnny. He said this. He said, you stay humble in all your success, and I continue to support you as you find more. Shout out to you. Shout out to the family, baby. Let's go. And Don DeMarco, appreciate you for that. Let's go. I'm telling you, family. So Kenan, get in, get up, get out. Right, we don't get married to these plays. None of them. Thus. Yo, okay, let's keep it going. Again, family, look. I'm not going to tell you when to sell, but I do want you to understand. I'm not going to tell you when to sell. You got to be way up on a Nio put. You sell it when you're ready. You sell it whenever you're ready. Don't get married. Because, like, what happens a lot of the times, and again, family, we way up on a Nio put right now. Way up, right? Everybody was, and this is one thing I want you to see, too. This is why I want you to see this. Things don't make sense until they make sense, right? I know that sounds like, obviously, right? But really listen to this. Really listen to this. Things don't make sense until they make sense. You got to understand technicals, right? We were playing Nio on a pure technical point, right? On a pure technical point. It gapped up some, right? Just straight green, gapped up. We knew this was the resistance. We had the resistance right here. We knew that Nio, historically, has been trading in this same channel, and it's just been bouncing around in it. Like this, right? Gapped up, got all the way up here a few days ago, bouncing around in this channel. Come down to about 35, 47. It broke it a little bit, but came back, playing in this channel. So then we see right here, we got rejected at the resistance. Up here again, rejected at the resistance. It's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. Oh, straight green. If you see this and you get nervous, you just let it go, right? If you have a higher risk tolerance, you can hold it, and then you see, oh no, it's going back up. Remember the technicals. It hit the resistance. It got rejected again. It tried to test it again. It failed 4 times, 5 times, and then boom, it tanks. So we played this on a pure technical standpoint, straight up technicals, nothing more than that. That's how we rocking out. Yep, and this one was a killer. And I love to see the family get paid. Love it. And again, don't get married. If you made enough, you could get out. And then now you have more money to basically just go again. Corey, shout out to you for joining the family. Discord link is in the top of the chat. Do I think Prague will get a little higher today? Prague, P-R-O-G. Remember, the shorts have not covered this at all. So what does that mean? This one still has a lot of chance to really go. However, notice we are getting near a resistance line again. But I want you to understand this. You could think of resistance lines as red, but I like to think of them as green, right? Because I'm usually hoping that it breaks it, because that's a huge green signal to say, oh, we're about to run, like when it breaks. Again, remember, there is a such thing called a bull trap where you think it's going to run, but then it don't. But right now, we're showing strength. We broke above a weak support, and now we're headed to a more strong support. You hear Cookie? What, Cookie? I have a cat named Kitty, a cat named Cookie, and a dog named Brownie. And Cookie is talking. He stopped. He's good. He's listening to me hard now. So now let's see. We could head up to a little bit higher, but we want to see if it breaks up or if it goes up. However, remember, now you got the tools and the skills to know how to make money on the way down. Somebody said Ethereum to 5,000. I'm going to keep it so real. I do not want Ethereum to go to $5,000 yet. So you the truth, fam. I appreciate you. Culinary Ninja, the beast, the big dog. Let's go. I do not want Ethereum to go to $5,000 yet. Why? Because I want more of it. I wanted to buy this and more of it in a I want to say I got like 20K in Ethereum somewhere around. But I got 1 Bitcoin and I got like 20,000 or something like that in Ethereum. I want more of it, so I need it to come down. However, I will buy it today and be fine with that. And be absolutely fine with that. I'm not saying don't buy it today. Ethereum is a banger. In years to come, we're going to see this go crazy. Right. Vincent said, facts. Can we see 1K again? We already know what time it is. Listen, we loading up. And to be honest, think about this. For those of you who have children, When your children are generally who have young children, when your children are old enough to load up on Ethereum, it ain't gonna be 3,000. It ain't gonna be 3,000. So then you buy it, and that's what we talk about with generational wealth. You buy it for them. You buy it for them. Because they never gonna see these prices. Never. The same way, like I tell you, with something like Coca-Cola, you gotta think of investing. Look at an old company, family, an old company, real old. Coca-Cola right now is $60. People are like, oh yeah, you know, it's 2019. They say, yo, back in the day, right, a few years ago, 2019. Oh, should I have bought Coca-Cola at $50? No, it's done. A few years later, it's $60, right? But guess what? Grandma, grandpa, they could have bought it in the 70s for 40 cents. We never gonna see these prices again. Never. So you got to think of it just like that. Think of it just like that. My kids, you got to think, you living over here, right? You may even experience a dip from 46 cents to 14 cents. But guess what? You weather the storm, so then your kids won't have to. Think of it just like that. You weather the storm, so then your kids won't have to. So now let's see. Let's go back up and let's check out the SPY, because I'm hearing SPY is back in the 440 range. We love to see it. We love to see it. Let's see how it's doing with our resistances and our supports from the past. Oh yeah, it's pumping. It's really pumping. So our next resistance, so let's get rid of this old trend line here. So just notice though, family, this one is really, really going nuts. Let's go and let's do this. From our diagonal line right here. Right? Our diagonal line right here of support. Ascending line of support, and then our ascending line of resistance. So we are now trading in this uptrending channel. Once it breaks out of this, you know it's going to be in another channel, either consolidation, which is sideways, or up down, right? Up down, which is basically, or I'm sorry, either consolidation, which is sideways, or a downtrend. Or a downtrend. But right now, pumping, pumping. But let's see where the next resistance line is and if we're going to break through it or not. So it's about, we're really close to it. Believe it or not, we are really close to it. Let's add in our good old friend, the horizontal line. And, oh, no, we broke it. We broke it. And let's see the next one. It's this. It's 41.68. It got rejected up here last time. 41.68. We need to break that. We need to break that. We definitely need to break that. But you know what? I'm going to make this green again. So we want to break this. We want to see the SPY break this, but it might get rejected there, but we want to see it. So far, the SPY is showing crazy strength. Crazy strength. The notification didn't work. I'm telling you this. They not sending notifications out ever since. Oh, here we go. Nancy Pelosi's in the chat. Yo, Nancy. She said NVIDIA, Oxygen, AMC, Lucid, MMAT. So is there a chance the SPY get back to 430? Yes, there is a chance. Of course. Definitely. 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 So it looks like Nio might still be struggling. Yes, it is. Nio is still struggling. If only you was in a put, baby. It said, good morning. Los Angeles is in a building. Let's go. No more FUD. The market is running. All right, understand this. Yesterday, day before that, you'll see a million videos. Oh, man, the stock market is over. Inflation, right? Inflation is da-da-da-da-da, all this, all that. Inflation is a huge problem, right? Let's be clear. However, people tell you the market is about to crash due to inflation. And then the same people who told you that are telling you, oh, people don't care about inflation all of a sudden. And not even just that. Tapering. The government is gonna bring back paying for student loans and all of this other stuff. People are losing their jobs. People are quitting jobs and all of this other stuff. And they're telling you this is why. And then you see the SPY pump up 440, and then they tell you, oh, never mind. Watch tomorrow, if not Monday, if not Tuesday, when the SPY cools off a little bit, and then up. It's over. It's over, guys. It's over. And it's just so flip-floppy. It's so flip-floppy. When you see me on here talking about the stock market, I'm ready to make the money on the way down. I'm ready to make money on the way up. You got to understand that. You got to understand that. You got to really say, all right, look. It's supply and demand at the end of the day. Are people buying the stocks or not? Are they buying them or not? And that's it. And also, one other thing about people losing all of these jobs and not having jobs and however many jobs. Let me tell you something about the jobs. A lot of people who have a job are there because they need that job. They need that job. They don't want to be there, but they need the job because they need the money. When people have the opportunity and luxury to let go of their job and they choose not to work, they tend not to have needed that job. That's what I want to tell you. They tend to have not needed that job. Nobody just jumps out of needing a job to nothing. You see what I'm saying? So let's see. Lucid calls. Let me see. Thank you for answering your last question. Check out SDL. Let's ask this question in the chat. Let's ask this question. Because a lot of people, I just want to ask you, do you need hold up. So here we go. Let's ask a question, family. Do you need your job? Is it A? Hold on, let me let this load in. Do you need your job? A, that's the only reason I'm there. Or B, I just like working there. Let's see what you have. Let's see what you have. You just like working there. And that's the only reason you're there. Is because you just like working there. Or the only reason you're there is because you need your job. Because you need the money. Now, understand this. Understand that many people are not working out of the love for going to work. Many people are working because they need a job. They need the money. And if they had the chance to leave, they would. You see what I'm saying? If they had the chance to leave, they would just straight up leave. You see what I'm saying? That's important to understand. So when you hear about all of these people who are out of work, who choose to be out of work, this don't sound like somebody who's desperate for money. I'm not the judge of who is who, but I'm saying that, come on now. I'm not the judge of who is who or who deserve what, who's getting what, but I'm just telling you, when you're hearing that everybody's just leaving work, you either leaving your job, and this is some of the reasons. Like, for example, me, I might be getting counted in that list of people who left work. But did I leave work to do nothing? No. You see what I'm saying? I left work for something I found more lucrative. You know what I'm saying? Spiritually, mentally, financially, all of the things, something that completes you, like a purpose. You see what I'm saying? That's important to understand. So when you see that people are leaving jobs and then people are trying to connect that to the SPY coming down, it don't really match up. It don't really match up. If people was losing jobs, and that would match up more. That would match up way more. But if you at home and you say, I don't feel like going back to work, I'm done. Either you have the money to sustain your life or not. So let's see, AMC. Hey, we love it. But yeah, look, 83% of people said, boom, they there because they got to be there. But let's go back. SNDL. I'm not gonna leave you hanging, big dog. SNDL, right? SNDL, 60 cents. So it's coming down a little bit. It's not moving enough for me to say this is even a solid swing trade. Oh, I got to sneeze. Hold up. Let's see. The short sellers, they looking at AMC, family. You know I'm allergic to the short sellers.
Bruh.
They looking at it. I can tell. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Yep, here we go. Red candle. But you know what? Let's power through it. Let's power through it. My guy Quentin said, he said, I like my job. I get paid to travel, and I'm out in the field doing real-time DD, my guy. And again, Quentin, you know the majority of people can't say something like that. And we got to understand, I know you understand, when you find something that you can do, that you feel fulfilled doing it, you are among the very few who are very fortunate. Appreciate you for that. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yo, let's go. We breaking past the short. Let's go. Let's see the volume again. Let's go back. Let's check the volume on AMC. Stocko tracker. People are buying calls. People are buying calls. This is getting crazier and higher. Let's reload this. Yo, I told you, 7.8 million. The volume is there today, family. The volume is there today. We love it. We love it. We love it. We love it. My guys, Enrique, he said, I'm okay with my job, but I have to feed. I got kids to feed. You see what I'm saying? People don't just generally leave. Come on now. For nothing. Here we go. We love seeing the volume. I make a lot of money and my wife ain't having that. Let's go, family. Yo, family, we pushing. We are pushing. Also, yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's see how many people are loading up on AMC options right now. So this was 16,000. I want to say maybe 2 days ago in the money. Puts was getting crushed. Still, though, I want you to understand. The calls is getting crushed. Understand this. They still kind of getting crushed. They still kind of getting crushed. Look, 44,000 in the money, expected to expire with worth, right, on Friday. But look at this, 262,000 out of the money. Let's do some math, baby. Let's do some math. Hold up, Z. Let's go back. Where was I? Oh, all the way over here. So let's copy this. Copy. 44,890. 44,890. 44,890 divided by this. Family, the options have a 17% success rate. Multiply this by 100. 17.12% success. This is 44,890 call options purchased in the money versus the ones that are out of the money. Oh, and you know what? It's actually even worse. This is worse. And I'll explain to you why, and it'll make sense in a second. Take a look at this. You have all of these in the money, 44,000, but you have 262,000 out of the money. And when we did the math on that, that looked like 17% of them, right? 44,000 divided by 260,000. It looked like 17% of them were in the money, expected to expire with worth. But it's worse than that. Why? Because if these are the in the money calls, let's go back. If these are the in the money calls right here, 44,000, and these are the out of the money calls, that means the total number of calls is even higher. If you add them together, you get the total. So then let's get the total. Let's get the total. So you add these two together. Boom. 300,000. Right? And of all of the options that are being run right now for today, this many is being reported in the money. So it's actually 14%. 14% of all of the AMC call options, the one day for tomorrow, are in the money. Times this by 100, and you get the percent. 14.62% call options are in the money for tomorrow. So they're getting smoked. Short-term call options still getting smoked even after this run. That's pretty crazy. So whenever you do an option on AMC, I want you to, if it go up a little bit, you say, okay, all right, I made some money. You see what I'm saying? First responder has been real this year. Ryan, you a first responder? Okay, yeah, but man, let's go, AMC. Says Smooth Brain in the chat. Got your headphones on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, we love to see this. So now let's look back at the SPY. We broke the trend. We broke the trend. So now when we break trend, you want to ask yourself, are we going to get some confirmation outside here? Are we going to get some confirmation like out here? What do I mean by that? Are we going to keep getting red candles out here? And are we going to find some support and consolidate? All right, so let's do this. Let's make this one green. Let's make this one green. This was our old uptrend that we were in. We're no longer in. We might jump back in there. We'll keep this one blue and see if we're going to consolidate, or are we going to enter a downtrend? So remember, the only reason you do chart work at all, technicals, is because you're trying to find out. Small town Ohio in the building. Let's go. Shout out to Jerry. The only reason you do technicals at all is because you're trying to find the next trend over. You want to find the next trend. So are we going to consolidate or are we going to break down? This is what we're looking for. But remember, the SPY, all you need is your boy to jump on the news and say something, and then the SPY will do this, right? Something like that. He get on the news and he say something, who knows what's gonna happen to the SPY, right? Him and all of the other people in the government, the Fed is gonna speak today. So you hearing that? Come on now. But let's see what's going on with this one, and let's go check. Let's see. So Nio was burning down. Let's see if it cooled off. Somewhat. It's getting near that support. Nio was burning down to the ground. All right, so now let's see. Let's see. Somebody said lucid calls. If you get in a lucid call, give yourself some time on that. Give yourself some time on that. My guy said, I make $150K a year, love your job. He said, I love my job. Also, side business as a cattle rancher. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Shout out to you. He said, I'm here to build wealth. Thank you for your knowledge. I got you, family. I got you. Cattle rancher, that's unique. That's unique. Can you look at Google? I know Google got to be running for people to bring that up. So it's up $51 today, which is 1.8%. So you're asking, should you buy Google? So I want you to understand this. Buy things that you believe in. Do you like using Google? Most people do. Do you like YouTube? Most people do. If you believe in these things, you invest in the company. Yo, let's talk about this. If you've been rocking with me on the live streams, you got to understand. I told you about this. Everybody was saying, yo, puts on LUV, puts on LUV. And you remember this if you listen to me. I told you about them data scientists. I told you about this. It looks like a crazy dip, right? And then you see this. You'll see right here. What was it? What was this? A 6? This is just normal. And then you start to see this, right? It looked like a crazy dip. But from here all the way to here is what? 50, 55, just to 54? That's not that crazy, right? And then, look at this. They trying to shake you out. They make it run up. And then your options lose value if you get in a put. Then they let it crash down when you sell low. Then they let it consolidate. The big dogs, these data scientists, I'm telling you, they here. They here. Let's go check out your boy Kenan Grace on Twitter. Kenan Grace on Twitter. We talked about them data scientists. Melvin Capital. And now the reason I even brought this up, y'all remember this. Melvin Capital, they said that they are monitoring message boards and all kind of things like that. And they have a team. Let's make this bigger so you can see it. They have a team of data scientists monitoring message boards, YouTube, all of this type of stuff, right? So then they know what time it is. They know when retail investors want to start buying puts, so then they can try to shake you out of it. They want to shake you out of it. Yeah, shout out to Google, because Google is a banger. Now let's see. But Google is one of those long-term bangers. You can kind of consider it kind of like, yo, whoa, look at this. It's up over, yeah, Google is up. Let's back out some. Yeah, shout out to Google. 2020, it dropped. That's crazy. I was looking at Google. I want to say it had to be like 2017 or so. 2017, 18. I was looking at it like, And I didn't really load up, but I loaded up on a lot of other things. Shout out to my guy Johnny. Appreciate you for the love. But again, these data scientists family, they trying to eat your money up. They know what you're trying to do. They know that LUV is supposed to be tanking right now with the news that they had. But they know what everybody wants to do, so then they try to do the exact opposite. So now let's see. Let's see. I'm seeing, what was that? AMC? The beast, the big dog. Pushing $40. Let's go. Family, you know what? You know what's about to happen to us? The zombie apes. Those zombie apes, they're coming, family. Understand that. Understand that the zombie apes, they are coming. The zombie apes, they coming back from the dead. I promise you this. I promise you this. They are coming back from the dead. We lost them. We lost them down here. Take a look at this. Everybody, family, I'm telling you, it's quiet for these naysayers today. It's quiet. Over here, oh, AMC is dead. AMC is dead. What's happening? You still talking about AMC? AMC is dead. Whoa, look at this. $40 again. Here we go. Everybody's gonna, let's go look at the volume. I bet you the volume is pumping. People say AMC is moving again. Yo, could we get some gorillas in the chat? Because I want you to understand. And look, everybody's buying calls. Now everybody's buying calls. Look at the volume, 7 million, twice in a row. Yo, family, understand this. People don't believe until they see it. People don't believe until they see it again. I'm telling you, the zombie apes. The zombie apes. We lost them. We lost them. And here they come. Trying to grab their shares. They're coming right back up, trying to grab their shares right out of the grave. Their shares is running up, and then they reach out of the grave, trying to buy them again. The zombie apes. I'm telling you. The zombie apes family, they bought it. They bought it up here. They bought it up here. No, they bought it here. They bought it at 38. They bought it at 38. It goes down, 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 33. Oh man, I'm selling. I'm out. And now it's back up at 40, almost 41. And here they come. Here they come. Oh, they believe in AMC again. They believe in AMC again. It's crazy. And again, I don't want I'm telling you, when we tell you that you got to have diamond hands to be in a manipulated play, you got to understand diamond hands. What does that mean? That means it's going to get tough. It's going to get tough. And then guess what? We all get to celebrate and rejoice as soon as we see it happen again. We run. Understand this. If you're an ape, especially if you're a zombie ape who perished when it went down to 33.74. Now you reaching back, right? Now you reaching back in. Really understand. Don't let this happen to you again. Don't put money into it that you can't diamond hand. It's not worth it. It's not worth the stress. Happy Green Day, KG, let's go. Starbucks and Apple calls, print it. He said for you this morning, as well as a Prague swing. Let's go. Let's go. Teaching you how to fish. P from around the way. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I see the gorillas in the chat. Yo, come on. I see you. All kind of, it's a good day to be an ape, baby. It's a good day to be an ape. And we stuck in the play. This is why I tell you this. Let me tell you something. I'm never going to be a zombie ape. Why? Because if AMC went all the way down to 0.01, 1 penny a share, just like that price target, if it went to 1 penny a share before it did the short squeeze, it went to 1 penny a share, I'm going to say, look, is it still zero? I'm going to be like this. It's not zero. I told you. Zero or moon for me. It's as simple as that. I put in what I'm willing to lose, so now it's zero or moon. I understand the risk. You see what I'm saying? I'm ready. Zero or moon. 1 penny? Oh, it's not zero. Simple as that. And also this too. Ethereum. Everybody believes in Ethereum now. I want to say this, and I know, no disrespect, Nan. I know you've been like Ethereum. I'm saying this because I want to say you and me both liked Ethereum. Nobody liked Ethereum when it dropped down to 1,700. Nobody liked it then, right? Let's zoom out even more. When it came down here, and this was what, September? No, even before that. Ethereum came down. Let's go to 20. Where we at? Yeah, 2021. It came down to 1,700 in July. They didn't like it there. 1,600 in June. They didn't like it there. But now they love it at 3,700. You gotta. I'm not swing trading any of this. I'm not swing trading no crypto. None of it. I'm not swing trading a dollar of it. Said Kenny don't trip. Merch. That's hard. That's hard. I can't even lie. That's hard. Kenny don't trip. Yo, I heard Ken Griffin's birthday is coming up, by the way. Not to be. It's a lot of people with a lot of attention on him. Let's check. October 15th. He's 52. He's going to be 53. Ken Griffin. What you doing for Ken Griffin's birthday? What you doing for Ken Griffin's birthday? Some people say they buying AMC. My guy Diamond in the Rough, he said something I feel like I got to comment on. I appreciate you, family, but I do got to comment on this. And this is no disrespect. I just got to keep it real. He said positive vibes for AMC. No, it's not zero, right? You got to understand. People got to understand the risk. I'm going to keep it real with you all of the time. You might not like hearing that AMC can go to zero, right? But I literally showed you 1,000,000 times all of the manipulation. Would I be in it if I thought it was going to zero? No. But do I understand that you need to be ready to ride all of the manipulation, all of the volatility, or you shouldn't be in it? That's what I'm saying here. Moon or zero. Is this or that? Now, on this ride of moon or zero, we're going to lose a lot of people when it comes down to 30. If it came down to 20, we're going to lose even more people. If it came down to 10, we're going to lose even more people. I told you when you would lose me at zero or at the moon. That's my mindset with this. I put in what I was willing to lose, and then that's it. I said it and I forget it. Set it and I forget it. We got to keep it real. If somebody telling you only good things, come on now. Let's imagine this. Let's imagine this. What if you go to a restaurant with somebody and you ask them, hey, is this good? And they say, yeah. What about that? Is that good? Yeah. Is that good? Yeah. Everything is good. What's best? No, everything is as good as everything. You're gonna be like, yo, I can't trust your opinion. You think everything is good. You think everything is good. How am I gonna trust you, right? You gotta have some no in your equipment. You see what I'm saying? They say as a strong person, you need to have a strong no. You need to have a strong no. You gotta say, look, no, I don't agree with that. You gotta have a no. You could be a yes man, or you could be a no man. Say, look, no. Your first answer is no. I think about it and maybe I'll say yes, but first of all, no. You see what I'm saying? No. So am I gonna lie to you? No, never. I won't. I'm gonna keep it real. The people who we are going up against, the Ken Griffins, the Simplex, all these other things, right? They got a lot of money and they got a lot of power and they're not playing fair. So you got to understand the risk. Simple as that. Let's go. But again, you got to be ready for the volatility, baby. And we ready for it. And then this is why we get to have days like this. Because we knew from the jump, if it went to 30, we wasn't selling out. We told you it was more than zero. 30 means nothing. It go to 20. We told you more than zero. 20 means nothing, right? I'm not saying what you have to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. If you see what I'm saying? If you with that, you with that. This is what it means to be an ape. Now, if you put in too much money, then you hurting yourself. Because then you kind of hurting the cause. Because then you won't be able to dime a hand. He said, I'm taking Kenny G to AMC for his birthday. Let's go. Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Cat. Oh my God. Take it. Let's get it. All right, yeah. So I'm hearing somebody just said, look at the SPY again. Is it jumping back in our channel? Is it? Okay. So we had a little bit of what's called a bear trap. However, it's kind of a bear trap. Notice this. Lower highs on the SPY. Lower highs. This is an indicator of a downtrend. Does it mean it's going to downtrend? It's an indicator. And indicators are just that. Indications that you might be seeing something here. Lower highs. So we were in the green, going up. And now you say you can't send a super chat. You know YouTube always trying to get in the way of something. So YouTube not showing your videos. You had to search for it. You know what? I'm probably shadow banned. Yo, you would think that I got on here. And look, we might be in a downtrend on the SPY, at least for the short term. So we just identified that. You would think that I'd be on here like cursing at people. You would think I'd be on here like doing crazy like pranks or something like that. I'm just talking about stocks. And I got a lot of energy and a lot of heart doing it. That's all. That's why I ask you to hit the like button, which we got over 50% likes. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Now, again, we might have identified a downtrend. So potentially, again, you got to watch out, though, with the SPY. Because I'm telling you, your boy, he going to come on TV and say something, and then he'll turn it around or make it drop harder. So when you get in a SPY, 3 G's with an O, baby. Get in, get up, get out. Don't get married. Not to the SPY, not to Nio, calls, none of them. Yep, you say YouTube hating. It is, right? That's right. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. We got to just do our best. That's why I say, look, that's really why I ask you to hit the like button now, because I'm being shadow banned. So then, who knows why? I know why. Because I'm keeping it real, telling people how to make money, and some people don't like that. Sometimes when you go on Fox and you talking to Charles Payne, something like that always happens. Something mysterious where your notifications don't happen all of a sudden. The first time they deleted all of the videos, the next time the notifications go to some people, not all. So Denise, I got you, family. I got you. So Denise just said this. She said, check out ticker symbol T, AT&T. So again, if you're getting an AT&T, what I want you to do is this. I want you to do this. Get into it as more of a dividend play than anything else. Really. It came down to 25. That seems like a really, really strong support. Like a really strong support. Let's zoom out. The last time it was this low was 2015. So don't get married. People picked this up 6 years ago and got this price. Said Don DeMarco in the chat, right? He said this live feed came up when you search Kenan. Yeah, but you shouldn't have to search it if you already subscribed. It should just pop up. That's the point. He said my guy Kenan on Fox keeping it too real for the matrix we live in. That's right. Also, so I want you to see this too. Family, I got an Instagram, but if somebody is hitting you up on Instagram, and you can see my name right under my video. Like when you look at the video, you see Instagram and Twitter right under there. Go follow me out. Go follow me on there. But notice there is so many fake Kenans. There's so many fake Kenans. And dude is in people DMs talking about, yo, are you in a Discord? This is me. This is me. And I got proof I'm KG. Kenan Grace. Proof I'm KG. You go watch this. This is me. Kenan Grace 1. I'm Kenan Grace 1. Not Kenan Grace 2E's 1. And I got 39,000 followers on there. And if you have a Kenan Grace, like any of my merch or anything like that, send me the pictures. So I'm going to put you up on Instagram. Any of it. Send me the pictures. Also, if you do merch or something like that, hit me up on Instagram too. Hit me up on Instagram too. I'm looking for some high quality merch. I'm going to just say that. High quality merch. That's what I'm looking for. All right, now let's see. Shout out to Brownie. But again, follow me on Instagram. I will never message you asking you about Discord, or I would never message you. I would never message you asking you about WhatsApp, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I don't even talk about finances or anything like that in your DMs. I won't get in your DMs at all. It won't happen. If I'm in your DMs, I'm not asking you for no money. I'm not asking you for nothing. I'm not even there. You see what I'm saying? I don't even know. Look, they said they hit you up. If I'm in your DMs or something, it's most likely a scam. I want you to understand that. It's most likely a scam. Most likely. My guy Jay, I got the P.O. Box papers. I just got to fill them out. I ain't forget. I got that shit right in my car. Said, yo, hold up. Let's do it. They said, T.
It don't move.
No, it moved. It come all the way down to 2015 prices, baby. What did they do? That dividend. They cut it. They ain't cut it in a long time, but they did it. So again, I appreciate y'all. Just know, family, and I'm gonna catch you. If you want to be in a Discord, be up on the plays with all of us. We just made a lot of money on this Nio put option, riding the wave down. Get in, get up, get out. You already know what time it is. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Hit the Discord, hit the like button on your way out so they can stop shadow banning your boy. So they can stop straight up shadow banning your boy. And what I want you to do is this. Get up on the Discord with us. I see you over there. Take care.